Hey guys, it's Dawn Marie here and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my journey of starting a digital product business from scratch, and I will not be using marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. And I'm sharing my living case study with you right here on this channel of how I'm going to make that happen. You'll also find topics specifically about digital products. So I'm sharing things that I've done in my own business that perhaps will help you as well as a digital product creator, especially if you are creating info products like ebooks or webinars to sell. So if that interests you, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that I do, and check out my playlist section to see what I have done so far. All links will be in the description box below. Okay, so you probably come here confused because you want to know how can you make money from free ebooks. Well, what I'm going to tell you next are just a few tactics that you can use in your own digital product business, especially if you're selling an info product and you want to generate a profit by not selling, but actually giving away your content for free. And it's one of the things that I also covered in my 10-day action plan for launching and selling a digital product. If you haven't yet had your hands on that, then make sure to look in the description box for a link as well. But why does giving away of your free ebook actually work? Because when you think about it, people love getting things for free. And if you offer something for free, chances are they will read it. They will realize that you know what you're talking about. Maybe you're a coach or a consultant, and then they will go ahead and buy your main product. But the fact that you're giving away something for free means that you can build a strong list of people quickly who are highly likely to be interested in a particular subject, and then you can go ahead and sell them your relevant product. So let's dive into how we're going to do that. All right, so I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can boost your profits or make money from a free ebook. So you can use a free ebook to build your email list, which can be a very valuable asset for your business, as building a list of email subscribers and focusing or consistently delivering value to those subscribers helps you build trust. It nurtures that relationship that you have with them. Okay, so how do you actually build an email list? Well, you first need to create an ebook that shares valuable, useful, and helpful information with people who are looking to solve a specific problem. And then you offer that ebook to them for free, where they can download it first by giving you their email address. And that's most important. You want to get their email address. And once you have that, you keep in touch by providing them with relevant and engaging content and regularly interacting with those subscribers. Now, as you build trust, you can then monetize those subscribers by offering a paid ebook that is relevant to the free ebook that you gave to them in the first instance. Okay, so let me help you make sense of this by giving you an example. Let's suppose that you are in the dog niche and you have a free ebook, which is a puppy training schedule and routine template. So this template helps new puppy owners create a structured training schedule and routine for their puppies, right? So you give that away for free, and you know that the people who opt in for that have that specific problem. Now you can go on to create a paid product like a comprehensive puppy training course or a training toolkit and sell it to those subscribers who opted in for the free product. And it's more than likely that they are going to buy because you know that they have a problem with puppy training, and you are then solving that problem with a bigger product like the comprehensive training course. Okay, number 2, the other way that you can profit from a free ebook is through affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing allows you to promote other people's products, and if someone buys those products, you can then earn a commission from them. So one way to profit through affiliate marketing is by giving away your ebook for free, but within the ebook, you have links to your affiliate product. Now, we know that it's much easier to acquire a lead than it is to acquire a customer, because people are more willing to exchange their personal information as opposed to exchanging transaction details to buy something. And that's okay, right? So working with this concept, we can work as hard as we can to build that email list of people who download our ebooks, or we can give them away for free. But know that when they read that ebook, you have your affiliate links embedded in the ebook ready for them to consider. And they will be considering other people's products through the affiliate link which they may buy. Now, the good thing about affiliate marketing is that you do not need to create your own product. You just need to use someone else's and promote it within the ebook. Now, for this to work, of course, your ebook must be relevant to the affiliate product, or the affiliate product must be relevant to the ebook that you're creating. So, for example, if you are promoting an affiliate product like dog colors or dog houses, your ebook must be about dogs. So let's go back to the dog training schedule that you created in your ebook. You can use that and then embed affiliate links related to dog products. Okay, the next way that you can profit from giving away free ebooks is what I refer to as back-end products. So just like with affiliate marketing, you can use a similar concept to profit from free ebooks by giving it away for free. And then when someone lands on a thank you page, you sell them a relevant low priced product. Now, for this to work, you do need a funnel system where you have the product page where the ebook, the actual ebook is advertised, and then a thank you page after the user opts in. So they enter their name and email and they opt in, they will land on a thank you page. Or if you can't build a thank you page within the system that you are using, you can sell the low priced product by email. But the difference between this method and affiliate marketing is that you need to create the product yourself in this example. Now, for this method to work, the low priced product that you are selling has to be a no-brainer deal, as well as it has to be closely related to the ebook that you are giving away for free. So let's talk about an example. So we're using the same dog niche example. You could give away the free puppy training schedule and routine template, and then immediately upsell the subscriber on the puppy training comprehensive course or toolkit at a really low price, like less than $30. It just has to make sense for the subscriber to buy it right now, and it has to solve a major and annoying sticking point that the subscriber might have. So for example, let's talk about the dog niche, right? So if the subscriber's puppy destroys their furniture and they want to solve that problem immediately, it's more than likely that if your product, your back-end product, talks about how they can help them solve that problem, they would more than likely buy that immediately. And the fourth way is you don't even need to give away the entire ebook away for free, right? So if you know you have written a very good ebook that people will want, consider giving away a preview of it or a sample of it for free. So for example, you might give away the first 5 to 10 pages of the ebook just to tease people on what they can expect. And the good thing about that is that it creates excitement for the remainder of the ebook and makes those subscribers who opted in for the preview more than likely to buy the remainder of your ebook, thereby helping you to profit. And finally, my fifth way of boosting your profit with free ebooks is by using them as bonuses. If you're selling a product or you're promoting maybe an affiliate product, for example, you can use a free ebook as a bonus to encourage people to take the leap and purchase. So for bonuses to work, your main product has to be good in the first place. And a bonus won't magically sell a product or make people buy the product if it's not good to start with. Now, why do bonuses work? Well, they add value and can be a really great incentive to encourage people to buy. So it encourages them to take the leap and actually buy. So the next time you think of something, of selling something, or if you're promoting an affiliate product, for example, consider how you can use a free ebook as a bonus. And then within that free ebook, again, you can put your links to different products, links to affiliate products, and profit even more. Okay, guys, so that's it. Those are my 5 ways to boost your profits by offering your ebook for free. So the next time you might ask yourself, should I give away this ebook for free or should I sell it? Consider how you can use these tactics to generate more profit for yourself. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye now.